Yeah. See, that's the headlight job 8 months later. Not not 8 months, 8 months later.
Hey man, that's my car.
I know. Once again, this is a headlight restoration 8 months later. Not a month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months later. And that's why you holla at B. Cause then the results you gonna get. Look how the water is still beating up on that headlight. Just saying. Headlight always see through. Holla at B, man. Let me go and pull the rag out. Go on and wipe that thing off. So y'all can see. I believe I have before and after pictures. Or when I did it. But 8 months later. You ain't gonna get no better than that. You ain't gonna get no better than that. Sorry, man. Long lasting headlight restoration, man. And that's why you holla at B. That's why you holla at B. Yeah. That's why. So you need your headlights done, man. You in the Kansas City metro area. Get at me. I got you.